Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at Colaba and we are right here at India Gate, and this is literally my view. It's around I think 1:30. We are here to explore Colaba Causeway because we really haven't. It's me and my sister here, and right now we are in front of the Taj. So, guys, the next plan is that we're gonna have our lunch. We are planning to go to Mac Street right now. It shows it's like near to like 5 minutes walking distance. So we're just gonna go there, and this is the Taj, and that is the Gateway of India. And I think in the evening we just might plan on going for a boat trip or whatever that is called. So yeah, that's a plan. We are here at Max Street. It's like right there. We also were thinking of going to Aruko Coffee. I don't know how that's pronounced, but yeah. But we finalized on Max Street, so let's go. See, कितना बोल रहे हो भैया?
बोले 450 है मैडम, आपको 350 कर दिया।
350 नहीं, 300 बोलो ना.
एकदम ले जाओ, मैं देने को बताया 320
ना?
हाँ 1020 कोई ना बोल।
एक मिनट. We are buying these. और भैया ये इनका प्राइस क्या है
ये
इधर?
सब 150 बेटा 100 में आएगा आपको, क्योंकि मैं बड़ा चला के नहीं बता।
ठीक है.
एक ही प्राइस है 100 आने से पहले।
So guys, we've started with shopping. This is Colaba Causeway, and we've taken an ice cream break right now because it's so hot, it's so humid. Pasina shoot raha hai, like it's insane. I don't know why we planned today to come here and shop, but it's a part of experience. So far we've purchased a few things. I'll show that to you later. But update for now. So, guys, we are at the end of the shopping time, and I'm so happy. I finally got the Kashmiri earrings for which I was here. We have shopped it from the Happy store, and they've given us like a great discount. And I would recommend you guys to come here and shop. They have beautiful collection, and I'm so happy with my purchase. And I'll probably give you a haul of this, guys. So stay tuned. So, guys, we have come to an end for today, and I'm literally in the train right now. We are going from Churchgate to my home, and once we reach, we'll give you an haul about like what all we have purchased. Well, it was very humid today. I wouldn't recommend you guys actually coming in so early. We were here by 1 o'clock. We had our lunch, and after lunch we started our shopping in the Colaba Causeway. So I think you should come after 3ish so that you can actually relax and shop. So yeah. And we are back. Hi guys, so I'm back from Colaba Causeway and I'm here to show you my haul. But I just want to put a few things ahead. First, being Colaba Causeway, my intention of going there was for jewelry. I really wanted Kashmiri earrings, and yes, I have successfully bought two of them, and I really love them. I have been eyeing on Kashmiri earrings since a very long time. I've been trying to search them in Borivali, and I didn't really get those. They have those stalls on roads, and like when I used to go to Borivali before like me going to UK, they really had like a very good collection, and now I don't know where those stalls are. So that's the reason, like one fine day I just saw this Colaba reel on my Instagram, and I was like, I just need to go. And that one fine day was like yesterday itself, and I decided yesterday. And today morning we just left. I took my sister along with me, and we were just enjoying, let's say, Saturday well spent. Because who does not love shopping and bargaining? So yeah, that's there. And also I want to put this forward that Colaba Causeway is good for buying accessories, Indian jewelries, and not really a clothing street shopping thing. Like if you see Hill Road has lots and lots of clothing stalls, but Colaba Causeway, they have lots of jewelry, accessories, which I'll show you now. So today, I didn't really buy any clothing item or clothing piece, to be honest. I have bought jewelry and whatever I had on my wish list, I have secured those today. Today there were so we have explored one area of Colaba Causeway. I don't know how to put it, but one area of shopping street, and another area is something we did not go to because we were on crunch of time. So whatever area we have discovered or explored, that had more of jewelry and accessories and less of clothing. Like I rarely actually saw clothing, and if there were those stalls, they had like um very homely clothes like tube tops and tank tops or kurtis, and kurtis also were very like mid level. I didn't really like them, so yeah. Okay, back to the haul. I really want to start with what I purchased first. Are these Wait, are these Kashmiri bangles? I guess you call these Kashmiri bangles. And all this is something I'm opening right in front of the camera. So this is what they look like. Wait, I'm just gonna show you. Yeah. So I just have seen a lot of these. in, like, Instagram reels or something, and I was obsessed to actually buy these. They are so pretty. I think most of people, they wear these with kaach ke bangles, like glass bangles, and I'm just gonna wear it and show it to you. I didn't really buy a lot because I just didn't want to buy anything just for the sake. Oh, I think I've spent money thoughtfully, and yeah. So this is how it looks like, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna look like, beautiful once I, like, stack colorful bangles, like, between these. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Yeah. My second purchase were these wooden stacks. I am for some reason obsessed with this wooden bangles, kada, whatever you call these. I already have like one set which is like very circular, and this one has a square piece in the center. So I just, like, when I saw this, I knew I wanted this, and I'm just gonna wear it, and I'm gonna show it to you. And this is how it looks like. I am so happy with this purchase, and I really, really love it. So I actually wear kadas and, like, all these stacks when I go to office or just anywhere. And this is one of my stacks that I've been wearing since 2 years now. And I just love this now. I think this is something I'm gonna wear every day to my office. My third purchase was again this stack. This is a colorful stack. So basically, I didn't have anything colorful. Like, so I knew I wanted to purchase this when I saw it. I'm just gonna, yeah. So this is a very colorful stack. This is what it looks like. And I'm just gonna wear this. I am so excited right now. And this is how it looks like. Isn't it amazing? I think this would absolutely go with everything. And even the wooden wala. Okay, the second two purchases are one of the best and my favorite purchase throughout this haul. And those are Kashmiri earrings. And I'm just gonna show you. Yes. Can you hear the sound? It's some ghungroos. And this is how they look like. And they gonna look something like this, and they're so pretty. They are in color green. Now green is a color that goes with most of the Indian outfits. That's what I feel. It's a very versatile color, and a person who has like a circular or an oval shape, these elongates your, like, face. So this will like really help you with how you would look, like the overall look. So this is one of those. And another purchase, again, Kashmiri earrings. And this particular shop, this person whom we purchased from has given us like a great discount. Like, usually you get these Kashmiri earrings at a very expensive rate, but I've bargained here, and that person actually agreed to the price that I spoke. And this guys, you have to see this. And okay, and I just didn't realize there was one more thing I needed to show you, because this is so small and dainty. And this is for my sister particularly, because she loves like very dainty pieces, and something like this. This is what it looks like. These are very small and petite, and this is something, I mean, I don't know if it's quite visible, but this is what it should look. She has her ears pierced, so this is a stack that she's building up. So these earrings, and then she has these. wait, I'm just gonna show you. These are very basic and good to pair it up with your stack. So like, you know, maybe you can just wear it like right here. This is something that I suggested her, and like, you know, these would like go here and then this upar. So yeah, that was finally the last purchase, and that is it. Hope you liked my vlog. So guys, about the prices, I haven't paid for the price that they put forward in front of me. I have bargained for each and everything I bought. I'm just gonna give you like a range for everything that I bought. For kadas and bangles or stacks, whatever you say, those have ranged between 100 to 300. And the Kashmiri earrings that you've seen, those are like really expensive if you go to stores. So here, like on street, I've bargained and I got those like in the range of 500 to 600. And that is it. And I hope you liked my haul here, and comment down below what would you like me to explore next. So yeah, I hope you like my video, and like, share and subscribe. Bye.